Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 25. Left hand side equal to cosec A upon cosec A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cosec A plus 1. LCM of the denominator is cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus 1, which is equal to cosec square A minus 1. This term multiply and divide by cosec A plus 1. This term multiply and divide by cosec A minus 1. We get cosec A into cosec A, cosec square A plus cosec A into 1 cosec A plus cosec A into cosec A, cosec square A into minus 1 is minus cosec A. Plus cosec minus cosec cancel each other. Cosec square A plus cosec square A is 2 cosec square A, and cosec square A minus 1 equal to cot square A equal to 2 cosec square A upon cot square A. Cosec is 1 upon sine. So 2 upon sine square A upon cot is cos upon sine. So cos square A upon sine square A. Sine square A cancel each other. Remains 2 upon cos square A. 1 upon cos square A is sec square A equal to 2 sec square A equal to right hand side. Sum number 26. Sec A left hand side is equal to sec A upon sec A plus 1 plus sec A upon sec A minus 1. LCM of the denominator is sec A plus 1 into sec A minus 1, which is sec square A minus 1. This term multiply and divide by sec A minus 1. This term multiply and divide by sec A plus 1. We get sec A into sec A, sec square A minus sec A into 1 sec A. Sec A into sec A, sec square A, sec A into 1 plus sec A. Okay. Minus sec A plus sec A get cancel each other. Sec square A plus sec square A, 2 sec square A. Sec square A minus 1 is 10 square A. Sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. So 2 upon cos square A. 10 square A is sin square A upon cos square A. Cos square A cancel each other. Remains 2 upon sin square A, which is equal to 2. 1 upon sin square A is cosec square A equal to right hand side. Sum number 27. 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A equal to 10 square A upon sec A minus 1 the whole square. Left hand side is equal to 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. Cos A is 1 upon sec A equal to 1 plus 1 upon sec A upon 1 minus 1 upon sec A. This term multiply and divide by sec A. This term multiply and divide by sec A. We get sec A plus 1 upon sec A. Sec A minus 1 upon sec A. Sec A get cancel each other. Remains sec A plus 1 upon sec A minus 1. Multiply and divide by sec A minus 1. We get sec A plus 1 upon sec A minus 1 into sec A minus 1 upon sec A minus 1. Sec A plus 1 into sec A minus 1 is sec square A minus 1, and the denominator is sec square A minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to sec square A minus 1 is equal to 10 square A upon sec square A minus 1 the whole square equal to right hand side. Sum number 28. Right hand side is equal to 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Sin A is 1 upon cos A equal to 1 minus 1 upon cos A upon 1 plus 1 upon cos A. This term multiply and divide by cosec A. This term multiply and divide by cosec A. We get cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A upon cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A. Cosec A get cancel each other. Remains cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Multiply and divide by cosec A plus 1 of we get cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1 into cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A minus plus 1. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. equal to cosec square a minus 1 square is 1 upon cosec a plus 1 into cosec a plus 1 is cosec a plus 1 the whole square. Cosec square a minus 1 is cot square a equal to cot square a upon cosec a plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to left hand side. Sum number 29. Left hand side is equal to 1 plus sin a upon cos a plus cos a upon 1 plus sin a. LCM of this term is cos a into 1 plus sin a. This term multiply and divide by 1 plus sin a. This term multiply and divide by cos a. We get 1 plus sin a the whole square plus cos square a upon cos a into 1 plus sin a. Open this bracket. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 plus sin square a plus 2 sin a plus cos square a upon cos a into 1 plus sin a. Sin square a plus cos square a 1. So 1 plus 2 sin a plus 1 upon cos a into 1 plus sin a. 2 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin a. 2 is common, so 2 into 1 plus sin a upon cos a into 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a cancel each other, equal to 2 upon cos a, which is equal to 2 sec a, equal to right hand side. Sum number 30. Left hand side is equal to 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. Multiply and divide by 1 minus sin a. We get 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. 1 minus sin a into 1 upon 1 minus sin a is 1 minus sin a the whole square. 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a is 1 square minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a is cos square a, equal to 1 minus sin a the whole square minus cos square a, equal to 1 minus sin a upon cos a the whole square. 1 upon cos is sec a minus sin a upon cos a tan a, equal to sec a minus tan a the whole square, equal to right hand side. Sum number 31. Right hand side is equal to 1 upon cos a upon 1 plus cos a. Multiply and divide by 1 minus cos a. We get 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a upon 1 minus cos a. Numerator is 1 minus cos a into 1 minus cos a, which is equal to 1 minus cos a the whole square. Denominator is 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a, which is equal to 1 square minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a, equal to 1 minus cos a the whole square minus sin square a, which is equal to 1 minus cos a upon sin a the whole square. 1 upon sin a is cosec a minus 1 cos a upon sin a is cot a. Cosec a minus cot a the whole square, which is also equal to cot a minus cosec a the whole square, equal to left hand side. Sum number 32. Cosec a minus 1 upon cosec a plus 1 is equal to multiply and divide by cosec a plus 1. We get cosec a minus 1 upon cosec a plus 1 into cosec a plus 1 upon cosec a plus 1. Numerator is a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, cosec square a minus 1. Denominator is cosec a plus 1 into cosec a plus 1, which is cosec a plus 1 the whole square. Cosec square a minus 1 is cot square a. We get cot square a upon cosec a plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to cot a upon cosec a plus 1 the whole square. Cot is cos upon sin upon 1 plus sine plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus sine A upon sine A. Sine A get cancel each other, remains cos A upon 1 plus sine A the whole square, which is equal to right hand side.